Hey guys, welcome back to Kitchen Court Cases, where we watch court in my kitchen. Let's jump into the SeaTac Municipal Court for some more arraignments, pre-trials, first appearances. Let's find out together.
And they're gonna walk around. I think Miss Wetstein is first.
And you said Mr. Dalby is a refusal?
Mr. Dalby's a refusal. But I don't think I mean, he showed up for another court and then just didn't want to go to court anymore. And I have spoken to him previously, but he's in the general population, so I didn't think there's any issues. So, and currently the offer doesn't get him out till next week, as it is anyway. So we can set it next week.
We'll set this over till Tuesday then. Probable cause was previously found on January 4th, and bill remains $500.
This is Miss Jessica Wetstein, 3A03333996. Also, it's muted. We are asking to have her evaluated under 1077 based on the conversation I had with her. I saw that she'd been evaluated a little while ago and found competent, but based on my conversation today, I believe it's necessary. An officer, it's still muted. I'm not sure.
Ms. Wetstein, there you go, Ms. Wetstein. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Freund. Oh, what a fascinating name.
Oh, thank you. And you pronounced it correctly.
Yeah. I've not ever spoken on one of these video conferences ever, believe it or not.
Well, today's a day for firsts.
Yeah, hello, good morning. Well, first I want to say you don't have to stress. Good morning, Prosecutor Chen. It looks as, have Mandarin family maybe? Chen? She's smiling. She's smiling.
Yeah, first of all, I do find probable cause to detain.
Good morning, sir. We spoke yesterday, or this morning? No, the score too.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm one of the public defenders. My name's David.
Oh, hello. Good morning. Good morning. Hello.
And is the city seeking bail?
I don't have any money. I just want to talk about the situation because this is to do with September.
We're not going to talk about the facts of the case because today is not a fact-finding hearing. It's just a hearing, really a procedural hearing where the city is sort of saying officially what they're accusing you of.
I'm looking forward to communicating with you. I want to say, I don't want to interrupt you. I'm just saying I'm thankful to communicate because I wish it had occurred to me sooner. Oh, the Port Authority of Seattle would be relevant because I was concerned about the September 11th incident. However, there were a lot of concurrent similar incidences that, that I thought were from ham radio interference.
I need to ask the prosecutor a question. Ms. Chenweller, is the city seeking bail?
He does have concerns regarding defensibility to reappear. However, I don't see any history at this point as far as a basis to request bail or bond.
Yeah, it's complicated because my mother was Grace Kelly. She was murdered when I was born, and they gave me a false name. And so it's complicated. I say things perhaps praying that could seem confusing if it's possible that I don't know if there's some sort of a thing that detects my prayer.
I'm gonna set this over then to June 6th as a return date at 8:30 in the morning in person in SeaTac Municipal Court. Mr. Ainati, are you seeking direct appointment?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I will direct appoint. Ma'am, you'll be released on this case today, but you need to stay in contact with Mr. Ainati's office. Someone's going to come talk to you, and they're going to set up an appointment for that evaluation. Okay, so you'll need to know when that's happening.
Yeah, I love it because that's a lot of what it is. If it's possible to communicate, is the what is it called? It's overwhelmingly optimizing, because that's exactly the problem with the hams. It's impossible to communicate. The hams,
Before that happens, you cannot go back to the airport.
no, I'm not worried about any of it. I was completely compliant. No,
Okay, no going to the airport, the rental car facility, and no new criminal law
I don't
violation.
have money or anything, so I really can't do anything anyway. I had a passport, but as I understand it, that's a false name anyway.
So as I said, June 6th at 8:30 in the morning will be your next hearing, and you'll need to come physically to SeaTac Municipal Court for that hearing, okay?
Oh,
At 8:30 in the morning.
Maybe I can get a document so I can make note of it.
Or we'll give you a copy of the order,
Okay, good.
okay? All right, thank you.